One of the most frustrating parts of doing laundry is dealing with wrinkled clothes afterward. Especially dress shirts, cotton t-shirts, or the dresses you want to wear when going out. They come out of the washer looking like rags, and you end up spending half your day ironing them. Have you ever bought a garment steamer or steam iron hoping to save time, only for it to end up collecting dust after a few uses? Well, here's something you probably didn't know. With just a few small tweaks in your washing machine, and by adding a few simple items, your clothes can come out naturally smooth, no ironing required. Here are 6 super practical laundry hacks that will make you say, "Why didn't I know this sooner?" 1. Laundry balls. These small plastic balls with textured surfaces tumble around during the wash cycle, gently beating the clothes to prevent tangling and reduce wrinkles. They also help the detergent clean more effectively. When the cycle finishes, you'll notice far fewer creases, an absolute must-have for anyone who hates ironing. 2. Dry towel. Toss a dry towel into the machine during the spin cycle. The towel absorbs excess moisture from your clothes and helps prevent them from sticking to each other, which causes wrinkles. The result? Fluffier, less wrinkled garments, perfect for items like cotton t-shirts and pajamas. 3. White vinegar. Add a small amount of diluted white vinegar, ratio 1:5, into the fabric softener compartment. This helps neutralize detergent residue, leaving clothes softer and reducing static and wrinkles. No weird smell, just fresh, smooth clothes. It's also cheaper and more eco-friendly than commercial softeners. 4. Baking soda. Add a tablespoon of baking soda during the wash. It not only deodorizes and sanitizes, but also softens both water and fabric fibers, making your clothes feel softer and wrinkle-less. Use it together with white vinegar for an even better result. It's a simple combo that works wonders. 5. Laundry bags. Delicate or easily deformed garments like shirts, chiffon, or knitwear should always go into laundry bags. This reduces fiber stretching and helps maintain the original shape of the clothes. After washing, just hang them up. No ironing needed, and they still look great. 6. Ice cubes. Here's a game changer. Toss a few clean ice cubes into the washing machine during the spin cycle or into the dryer. The ice will melt and release steam, smoothing out wrinkles naturally. Especially in the dryer, ice cubes generate a burst of steam that acts like a built-in steamer. Absolutely genius. Starting today, stop wasting time and electricity on ironing. Say goodbye to wrinkled clothes ruining your look and your mood. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends so everyone can enjoy easy laundry and a better life. If you found these tips helpful and time-saving, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more smart and money-saving life tips.